Wishes to all of you. Welcome to the training of e-learning module part 2. Today we will learn how to generate question papers and how to conduct online quiz or a test on ERP. We have done with first two tabs, that is chapter and e-content, in the last training of e-learning part 1. So in today's session we will cover third and fourth tabs, that is question papers and quizzes. But firstly we have to add some questions by clicking on the chapter tab. I will click on class 6 as I have added a chapter also in this class. Click on this question mark button. You can add some questions by clicking on this button. I have added already 4 questions. Yes, I have listed some questions in a different window. So I will just copy the question and paste it over there. So this question is a subjective type, difficulty level medium as per your choice. Marks 2 mark question, 1 minute needed to attempt this question, and category is very short answer. Save. Now click on the question paper tab. Add question paper. Question paper name is demo. Class 6. Subject name is ICT. Total duration 2 minutes only. Manually I would like to add some questions. Chapter name, question type subjective, difficulty level is medium, and category is very short answer as we have given the parameters. So availability of questions is 5 as we have added 5 questions, and question required only 2. Duration 1 minute. Marks is 2. Save and next. Now question selection tab will be appeared automatically. Click on this plus sign and choose any 2 questions as per your choice. Save and close. We need to extend the time because 2 questions have been added, so 2 minutes would be given in the question paper details. Okay, in this question paper header you can give the details, but right now it's not functioning, it's optional part only. Now I will click on the quizzes. Yes, add quiz. Title is demo. Quiz date today only, like 21st. Start time and ending time 2 minutes only. Class is 6th. Section A only for this time. Question paper and subject name we need to add. Question paper was demo as I have given the name demo only, and save it. So this test would be started in 6th section. And how to check this test, I will tell these all things in the next video. Thank you.